One, two, three.
Come on, come on. Let's have fun together. Sing together.
I look with my own eyes, I hear with my own ears. Come on, come on, come on, let us know the shapes. My uncle had 7 sons, 7 sons, 7 sons. My uncle had 7 sons. I had 3 birds at home. Zoo-zoo-tee-da-hoo-hoo. There's a boy who's called a Zeus. He was out walking around.
Learn together.
Colors, and the horse in our field has a nice little pony. They play together indeed. What a beautiful family.
Watch your baby English together. Subscribe with us. Baby English, my beautiful world.